In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about concrete forms, from picking the right materials to setting them up so your project comes out solid and smooth every time. Alright, so first off, when you're picking concrete forms, you gotta think about the material. Wood forms are super popular because they're easy to work with and you can customize them however you want, but they might soak up water and warp if you're not careful. Metal forms, on the other hand, are way stronger and reusable, but they can be kind of pricey and heavy to handle. Plastic forms are kind of the new thing. They're lightweight, durable, and resistant to moisture, which is awesome for certain projects. Next up, setting these forms right is crucial. You want to make sure everything is level and square from the jump, because if your forms aren't aligned perfectly, you'll end up with a wonky slab or wall. Bracing is something people often skip, but it's a lifesaver. You need strong bracing techniques like stakes and cross braces to keep those forms from shifting when the concrete goes in. Also, don't forget to oil your forms before pouring the concrete. It helps with a clean release so you don't mess up your surface. When you're sealing the edges of the forms, use a good caulk or sealant to avoid leaks that could lead to weak spots. And always double check your measurements before pouring. You don't want to be wasting time fixing mistakes afterward. Finally, take your time during setup. Rushing it just invites problems down the line. One of the biggest mistakes I see with concrete forms is using crappy materials or recycled wood that's already damaged. It can warp or break under pressure and mess up your whole pour. Another common problem is not bracing forms enough, which causes them to bulge or even collapse when the concrete's heavy and wet. Just adding extra stakes and braces can save your butt here. Lastly, people often forget to check if their forms are level and square before pouring. And that's a quick way to get uneven slabs or walls that look janky and might even crack later on. Fixing any of these issues is just about being patient and paying attention during setup. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you're looking to hook up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff on projects like this. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to find more work and connect with homeowners who need pros for big home jobs.